and thank you for watching on my videos. I'm Stephanie, in case so you did not know, and in today's video we're going to do this beautiful dramatic pink look. I also paired it with a pink tube top, so we're just pinking it out, pinking the brain, because we got the brain, sis. We got the brain. Anyway, this hair is also not featured in the video. It's going to already be installed when you see it, but I'll leave a description in the cards. I'll also leave a card up above, like right here, right now, to let you know how to get this color. This was the watercolor method. This hair is from Fab Beauty. 22-inch wig, blase. You'll get all that if you click on the card above. And so yeah, my battery's died, so I have to just hurry up and just get this out. So love you guys. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this video. A big thumbs up if you have any suggestions on what you want to see next, and just tell me what you're mad about today. And until next time, Barefaced Stephanie is up next. Bye guys. Mwah. Hey guys, what is up? So we are starting barefaced. So by the power of editing, I'm gonna go ahead and just pop these bad boys on. So now we have our eyebrows done. We're gonna go ahead and start working on the eyes. I'm using the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. This video, I'm going to tell you now, it's a little sped up. It's voiceover, so voiceover videos always just go faster for me because I just like to talk. They just go faster. But this day was just a whole hot mess. When I say a hot mess, I mean a hot mess. So my bad. I kind of had to like just chop and screw this together, but this look was just so daggone pretty. I just had to get it out there, so we powered through and we are here by the grace of God. Thank God I don't look like what I've been through. Ain't that right? Can I get an amen in this church today? Anyway, so like I said, we're starting off with the Ruby Obsessions palette. As you saw, I used that dark cranberry color that's in the palette, or ruby color. I'm now going in with the Morphe James Charles palette. For whatever reason, this color is showing up purple on camera, but as you guys know, if you have this palette, it actually is a hot pink color. Or if you've seen the color in the stores or online, it's a hot pink color. That's the color that we're actually using to diffuse out this dark ruby color. And we're gonna go ahead and just blend all of that out. I did use two different brushes, as you can see, but they're both fluffy brushes. You just want to just make sure that you are just blending out all of that dark color. And then now we're jumping right into the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease and take my time, get the shape that I want, and cut that thing up, chop and screw it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just take just a flat brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just blend all of the excess concealer out. And I'm going to go to just make sure that all of that stickiness from the concealer is off of my lids, because I don't want to put product on a wet lid still, because it just makes the color look really funny. So now I'm going in and just diffusing out the back end of our crease using that same ruby color, the very first color that we used, to go ahead and just blend out that harsh line from concealer to product. And now we're going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I ended up using both of those top pink, those two baby pinks side by side. The first one at the very top that I was actually pointing at was not as bright as I thought it was going to be, so I mixed it in with the color right underneath there. I just didn't have a clip of me pointing to it, but I did use both those colors to get the color that's on our lid. Now I'm taking this Huda Beauty like duo chrome type of thing, pencil thing that she came out with. I'm using the non-glitter side, the matte side. That's what's going in the inner corner. Check the description box down below. I have the exact name for it down below because I don't know it off top. And then by the power of editing again, I went ahead and popped on a wing liner and also put on some lashes. Like I said, it was a lot going on this day, so I couldn't even I didn't have the footage of me doing the wing, which is a mess. So if you haven't watched the wig video already, please go back and watch that. You'll see that me and this hair were just having a struggle. It just did not want to hold a curl whatsoever. But yeah, so we're moving on to the face. I did a really good color match with this. I was kind of proud of myself. I mixed the milk and caramel with the 7.0 in the Naked by Urban Decay. For some reason I kept calling this earlier in the previous videos. I was calling it the all-nighter. Not the all-nighter, it's actually the Naked foundation, and I went ahead and mixed both of those together. The consistency of the milk foundation, I like it better than the Urban Decay. It's thicker, so the milk blends better with a brush, and the Urban Decay blends better with the beauty sponge. So I did use both, but I did primarily use the brush, so I like the way the application came out for this, and I used both sides of my brush, as you can see. And always make sure you are never clockable. Get the ears, get the neck, get all of that in there. My baby hairs look really good, y'all. I don't know who I thought I was this day, because y'all know I am terrible at baby hair, but I did that right there, girl. One things I did, that, yes. Now we're gonna go ahead and brighten up our face. Today we are using, so we're still using the Born This Way by Too Faced concealer. This is in the color Golden Beige. This is my actual first time using it. These videos are just all out of sync. I lost this SD card that had this footage on there, so that's why this video should have been up a while ago, but my bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with a brush first, and then because I want to just make sure that it goes exactly where I want it to go, and still I'd be able to use majority of the product that I use. And then I'm going to go in and diffuse all of that with the beauty blender. Those scratches on my chest are going to go away, by the way, guys. I'm just, typical light skinned girl. If I touch myself, I turn red. So that was just me scratching myself earlier from being tickled by my hair. But literally in the next clip, it's gonna be gone. It's barely there now. Now I'm going to go ahead and set everything into place. I'm using the color Lavender by Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter line that they came out with. And no, it does not smell like lavender. I don't know what I was thinking getting this lavender color. I really wanted the banana color, but they didn't have banana in my store. So I thought having just a purple thing would just be like, oh, okay, just work beautifully. It kind of is like it reminds me kind of iridescently of the Laura Mercier powder. So it does brighten what it's supposed to do. It blends better than Laura Mercier, but you just gotta, I can't bake with that powder. I feel like I get really chalky. I don't have flashback, but I do get chalky with it. So I'm going to go ahead and just bring some more definition back to my face after using the concealer. So I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics in the color Tawny Mami bronzer. And I'm going to go ahead and just bronze the places I normally bronze. Lately I have been loving doing a non-blush look, so I only do bronzer, and then some highlight, of course. And that's really all I've been doing lately, and I've been loving it. Maybe when the fall comes back officially, I know I've been doing dramatic fall looks, but when the fall actually comes back in wintertime, I'll probably bring the blush back, just so I can have some kind of color to my skin. I just feel like I'm just somebody because I got a tan this year, but whatever. I didn't show it, but I did use highlight. I used the Amrezy highlight. I couldn't find the footage, my bad. After I sprayed my face while my face was still wet, I went ahead and added the highlight. I used the two crease colors on my bottom lash line. So I used the dark cranberry color from the Huda, and then that hot pink in the inner corner on my bottom lash lines, because that light pink just wasn't dark enough to go on my lower lash line. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our lips. This is a MAC pencil I cannot for the life of me remember the name of this pencil, but it is like a darker color. I want to say it's brick. I'm not sure. Check the description box down below though. It'll be, like I said, all the products will be there listed. I want to say this is brick, but I'm not sure. Now I'm going in with Unlocked by Fenty Beauty. Like I said, this is the all pink look. We are going out to Zay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. And then I did lose some of the darker liners. I'm gonna go back in and trace that because I want to get like a real like ombre effect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just clean my mouth up and just get like some real sharp lines. And then honestly, that is it, guys. The slow-mos are coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching other of my videos. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We are slowly but surely growing, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with me. If you want to know, not if you want to know, but if you have any suggestions on what you want to see next, then just let me know, guys. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.